Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics with Seengar Ali. Friends, if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. So today we have a trigonometric limits question. In this question we have to find limit x tending to 0 sin x over sin 2x. This is very important question. So we will solve this question by applying very important identity, that is limit x tending to 0 sin x over x is equal to 1. Sin x over x is equal to 1. Here we will use this identity to solve this question. So let's solve this question. Here we will write solution and then limit x tending to 0 sin x over sin x over sin 2x, sin x over sin 2x. This question can also be solved by an other method. So let's solve this question by an other method, that is limit x tending to 0 sin x divided by, we know it very well, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x, 2 sin x cos x. So sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x. We can cancel sin x by sin x, and now we are left with limit x tending to 0 1 over 2 into 1 over cos x. So 1 over 2 is a constant and it will be taken out of the limit. 1 over 2 limit x tending to 0 1 over cos 0. So it becomes 1 over 2 into cos 0 is 1, so it is 1 by 2. That is our final answer. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.